Hi, this is Seth Lewis from Lantern Home Inspections. I'm here to perform a sewer line camera inspection on property 901 North 1st Street, Woodburn, Oregon 97071. I'm on the northeast side. We have a 4-inch 3034 clean out. As a matter of fact, we actually have another area here that was covered that has an ABS type clean out, and it looks to me like a low point drain pipe as well. So I'm going to go ahead and scope both of them just to see if these are the sewer lines areas. This home does have a sewer ejector, so I'm going to go ahead and continue the scope. I have a steady stream of water flowing from the kitchen sink downstream. This pipe also appears to drain with the below ground drainage for the roof drainage as well. So I'm going to go ahead and zero out my thing here for it, and I'm going to continue scoping. At 14 feet 4 inches, it looks to me like it transitions from the 3034 to an ABS section that extends about a foot and then transitions back to 3034. At about 20 feet, it looks to me like there's a little bit of standing water. It's not a concerning issue right now, actually. My camera's still visibly, it's not covered, so it's not an issue at this time. I don't see any joints or any kind of holes or anything like that, so I'm just going to proceed forward. Looks like at around 71.5 feet, we've reached the main sewer line at the street on the southeast. But just to make sure that this isn't a sewer line drainage, I'm going to go ahead and reverse my direction here and scope from backwards. Actually, I'm going to pause the video really quick, and I'm going to go ahead and try to locate where this is exactly with my locator. Okay, I'm going to resume this sewer inspection coming backwards from the southeast side. I did locate it. It was 4 feet 1 inch down below near the curb. So I'm just going to go ahead and scope backwards here. Make sure everything is good from this angle. Actually, at 67 feet 1 inch, it looks to me like we might have a small crack transitioning from the 30-34 to PVC, and it looks like the crack is in the PVC. I'm going to pause this really quick and go and try to find this as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and resume this inspection. Looks to me like it's a small crack, and it's past the sidewalk going towards the city main. This might be a responsibility of the city, I'm not too sure, but it doesn't look like it's impeding the flow of water downstream. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with this. Maybe a little bit of offset there, but I'm going to go ahead and note it in the report at 66 feet 10 inches. Can you go flush the toilet one more time? Sure. Try to flush it twice. Sorry, I forgot to press mute. I'm talking to my friend here, my helper. So this is going towards the house. It looks to me like excessive root intrusion in this area from the house where it connects with the 3034. I'm not too certain that this is the actual drain line for the sewer. Since there are two pipes, I'm going to go ahead and scope on the right side of, or left side of me here. I'm just waiting for a flush of the toilet just to confirm. Yeah, this is the main sewer line. And it looks like to me there's quite a bit of an intrusion here at 3 feet going towards the house. So from the house, it looks to me like they've changed the sewer line to 3034, so they've replaced the sewer line, but here they have quite the intrusion of roots and possibly offset joints, and I'm not too certain of the material. It looks to me like it could be cast iron. So from the house to where it transitions at 3 feet going towards the house, it is a failed sewer line. But all the way rest of the way down towards the city main, it is a pass. This concludes this portion of the sewer scope inspection. I'm going to go over here to this ABS pipe and scope from there as well. So I'm going to pause for a moment. Okay, I did a non-recorded scope of that pipe, and I did not see any drainage coming from a flush of the toilet or the kitchen sink, so it was dry and no water was flowing downward. So I'm going to safely assume that that is not part of the sewer line. I have successfully scoped the sewer line and can determine that there is a failed line from the actual house to where it transitions to 3034. That will be in a written report. Thank you so much again for using Lantern Inspections.